on a hike. I've been on a hike for a while. 1.2. This Palo Duro Canyon. I have to look up, see what that means in Spanish. It's cool. Sedimentary rock. Looking back at the trail I just came on, Juniper Trail now. I think we're looking at 250 million years of time from the top to the bottom. What you see is not quartz, it's gypsum. Sapphire starred gypsum. Here we are at Toadsuck Bog. I guess the toad sucked all the water out of this bog. It's pretty dry. Almost done with the Sunflower Trail hike out here near Amarillo, Texas. For those of you who thought Texas was flat, now you know better. They have their very own canyon here. Well, look for something to eat. And then I'll be leaving for Albuquerque tomorrow. So our sapphire gypsum you see in the rock